Welcome to the guided meditation to help you foster a beautiful sense of inner peace. Start by sitting or lying in a comfortable spot, closing your eyes, and focusing on taking some deep, slow breaths down into your stomach, and then exhaling each breath fully. For this meditation, we are going to let go of everything on our outside worlds and just focus on what we are doing right here, right now. Just focus on allowing peace to build in your body, allowing this peaceful energy to come into you with every breath, to flow through every single cell in your being, calming your thoughts, slowing your breath, relaxing your entire body. There's nowhere you have to be right now. And there's nothing that you have to do or think about that can't wait until after this meditation. This is your time for peace, and you deserve it. To begin, we are just going to state a simple mantra. With every inhale, just say peace. And with every exhale, breathe out peace. Just saying the word will automatically begin to calm our thoughts, calm our nervous system. We'll just do a couple rounds of breathing with this mantra, focusing only on that word, peace. Breathe in peace. Exhale peace. Breathe in peace. And exhale peace. Do a couple more rounds of this breathing just on your own. I want you now to begin to imagine and visualize the most peaceful place that you can think of. This can be a place that you've been to. It can be a place that you've seen online, magazines, or it can be your own personal oasis. Just imagine this now. Focusing on the sights, the sounds, how it feels to be there. Just take a few moments to be in this perfectly peaceful place. You are safe, and there's nothing to worry about here. Places like this carry an energy of peace. And even if it's not a real place, but one that just lies in your imagination, it still carries that beautiful calming energy with it. So what we're going to do now is take all of the energy from this peaceful place and just bring it into our body. So imagine this visualization getting smaller and smaller and smaller until it is about the size of your fist, until it turns into a beautiful, bright white sphere of peaceful energy. And now put this right into your heart. And just breathe in the peace. Imagine this peaceful sphere is now expanding throughout your entire body. It goes through your mind and your brain and wraps every single thought with peace. It goes through your entire face, relaxing the muscles around your eyes and your jaw and your lips. It goes through your neck and your shoulders and your back and your stomach, all the way to your hips and legs and feet. And any areas that are tense or holding on to anything that is not of peace, imagine this beautiful, peaceful energy surrounding those areas right now, dissolving anything and creating perfect, balanced peace throughout your entire body. And now that we're at peace, we are going to send this peace out to the rest of our day, to every person, every situation that we are going to encounter. So imagine this peace that starts within you, that starts from your very heart. Imagine it expanding past you. And visualize what you plan to do for the first part of your day. What do you plan to do after this meditation? Or if you're listening to this right before bed, what do you plan to do tomorrow for the first part of the day? Visualize your plans, any people who are involved, and expand this peaceful light to surround everything. Imagine every situation going as peacefully as it possibly can. Imagine yourself remaining calm, centered, and relaxed in every situation you plan to experience in the morning. And now visualize your afternoon. And once again, expand this peaceful light to all the people and places and situations that you know you are going to experience this afternoon. And also set the intention that it touches even unexpected occurrences to make sure that everything you experience today is surrounded and wrapped in peace. And finally, visualize your evening and all the people and places and situations and activities that lie ahead of you for this evening. And send the bright light of peace there, calming everything. Imagine yourself still in this state of peace that you are experiencing now. You were able to foster this throughout your entire day. Nothing was able to rattle you because you know you are worthy of this peace no matter what. And we set the intention now that this peaceful energy continues to surround all people, places, and situations that you will experience. But just focus now on yourself, on that inner peace that you are experiencing at this very moment. And we're going to end this meditation with a few affirmations. So slowly breathe in and say, I am peace. And then exhale and feel the peace in your mind, in your body, in your spirit. Let's just do a couple more rounds of that. Breathe in, I am peace. And exhale, allow yourself to fully relax. Do a couple rounds of that on your own, with your own breath, stating the affirmation, I am peace. This peace that you have fostered in this meditation will remain with you throughout the rest of your day, and you can always find peace just by listening to this again. You can always find peace just by breathing in peace and saying the affirmation, I am peace. There is nothing in this world that will take this peace away from you. And with that knowing, begin to deepen your breath and just invite some energy in. You keep your peace, but your body becomes more alive and ready for your day. Take a couple deep breaths in, sigh it out. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Maybe stretch to one side, stretch to the other side. Stretch up above your head, point your toes, full body stretch, invite the energy in. This is a beautiful, peaceful energy that you can use throughout the rest of your day. And then open your eyes. I hope that you have an amazing and peaceful day. Love and light. Thank you for listening. For more affirmations, meditations, and information about the free Mindset Makeover training, click the link below or head over to www.mymbse.com. If you liked this meditation, please like and subscribe or check out more just like it on our Mindful Mondays playlist. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Love and light.